Let me see what we gotta eat. Fucking nothing. Water, salsa, and fucking no chips. Fucking eat butter for. We got bread. Soda. Fucking disgusting. That's not even mine. Beer. Fucking better down right now for looking at this shit. Fucking chicken. Fucking 5 days ago. What the fuck is it? Fucking who knows how long that shit's been there. And then fucking got fucking all this bullshit for no food and shit. What is that? Yeah, fucking shit!